Hello. So today's tutorial is about the size of the instance. We can check this render. There is the edge on the monkey head. This is Sudan, and you can see the size of the instance on the monkey is different. It depends on the length of the edge. So today we will use a very easy way to realize this effect. So let's go to Blend 4.2 and let's go to Geometry node. Okay, let's press New and okay, let's delete the cube and we need a monkey because the monkey is kind of better for demonstration. And press New. So the basic structure of this effect is instance on point. Let's do it instance on point, and we need like a cube here to connect to instance, and we change the y and z to 0.1, and so we have this effect. And this is the basic structure, and the important thing is that we need to define the rotation and the scale. Here we need to use mesh to point because we want to instance on the edge, so we need to change it to edge. We turn the edge to the point. And let's use a new node here. Axis to rotation here. It has two sockets for two vectors. Then it will change them to a rotation. So this is much easier for us to use. We don't have to use to align rotation to L vector, to L node. And first we need to connect the normal to the first node. And we can see that nothing changed because this normal disappeared when we use the mesh to point. So we need to store named attribute. We need to store this vector here. And then we use the named attribute to use the vector again. So here we need to change it to float to vector because normal is a vector. And we change point to edge because we want to store this attribute in the edge. And next we need another vector check this rotation. We have two sockets. With two vectors, we can perfectly define the rotation. One vector sometimes is okay, but it's not perfect. We want it to be perfect. So here I use edge vertex, which is very rarely used in maybe many tutorials. And here we need to use the mass vector. So first, we need to use subtract pointer 1 to 2. So this node can get the 2 point of one edge, the point 1 and point 2, and the position of point 1 and point 2. First index and the position. So here we need the position, and let's connect to vector. So here the normal I name it n, and the edge vector I name it e. So here we can use 2. The first is the first is n. I define it as the main axis. The second is e, so connect them. So because the sign is not okay for now, we can't see the perfect effect, but I think it's okay. So here we need to define the scale. I need a vector to scale the element. So here I define a float. What I use is still this node. Change it to distance and link position 1, position 2 to two sockets here. And it returns a float vector. So I connect here. Oh, sorry. What happened? So here, I need to change a new name. S is okay, I think. Yes, float edge. That's okay. So here, this is a very important step. I will rename them like define rotation and scale. And here, this new rotation method in Blender 4.2. And here, I need a new named attribute here. So here I will use scale. Let's connect it to scale. Let's check what the magic here. The magic happened. So this is almost perfect. So you can this effect is finished, totally finished. I use cube here, so it looks like not very good. And if we use subdivide surface, I think it's okay. So you will find a better effect like this. Very good, I think. So for demonstration, to make it like make it much more useful, I think. Sometimes you think this effect is it's just okay, not very useful. I will show you why I think it's useful. I connected the monkey head here. So it will be like this. So you see the scale, you already see the scale. And I will use command XYZ. So I think the imagination of Blender geometry node is very important. So 0.1, 0.02, yeah, much smaller, I think. So here you will see the monkey head, and I will use a math node here. Change it to multiply. 0.5 is okay. I think maybe it's okay because we see the monkey head here. Maybe we want the monkey head to be bigger. This is much more cute. And I think the multiply 0.4. Yeah, you can see the ear connected with the ears. And this monkey head, and this 0.5. No, not this direction. This direction. So I think this is much more cute. Yeah. So this is why I think it's useful. See this many monkey head, and you can render them. I think I'm not feeling good when I'm looking at this. So it will be like this. So this will be very beautiful. So this is the whole tutorial, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up. If you want to see my future videos, please subscribe. So thank you very much. Bye bye.